Hello guys, this is Forum and welcome to FMA makeup tutorials. This is my look from the previous video, and my previous video was all about your no makeup look without any foundation going to work. And when you've done this makeup and then you get an urgent call from your friend saying you have to attend a party in 10 minutes and you don't have time, this is how you get ready. So Essence foundation goes right on my face, and I'm not going to remove any of my previous makeup and just rubbing it with the big spoon brush so that I get very fast foundation on my face with an even application. And you guys have to listen to this. It's a disclaimer. How much ever hurry you are in, you do not forget to glam your neck as well, or else you'll end up looking like a ghost. Okay, and I now apply the concealer from Elegant Cosmetics under my eyes to just cover up my dark circles, and to lighten up the dark circles I am using the concealer from Essence, and this will give me a light undertones on my eyelids. And whatever left on the brush, I am just rubbing it on the eyelids to give it a little bit of more finished look. And now I'll be using the Modern Renaissance palette for my eyeshadow, and before applying my eyeshadow I am using the Essence Color Intensifying base. Using Buon Fresco as my transition color, I am just putting it all over the crease to hurry up. I'm using Love Letter and Venetian red color on a flat brush and applying it all over my eyelid. Now, because this is a quick tutorial, I am not going to waste too much of time. I am taking Laura Mercier powder and applying it under my eyes to avoid any of my fallout, which I just remember I could. And now I am taking the color Cyprus Umber to fill in my corners and rubbing it with a fluffy brush to just dust it all off, and I don't want any harsh lines at the end. And now I'm using the Cyprus Umber to line my under eyes, and now Venetian red goes again under my eyes to give it a little transition shade. And yes, this is it for my eyeshadow. Yes, after this I just go with the eye pencil of Essence Black Fever and apply it under my eyes, and I'm just extending it a little bit outside. And now I'm not satisfied too much, so I'm using the Maybelline gel liner and pulling out a long wing for my eyeshadow. And it's gonna, I think it's not looking that amazing. Like, yeah, I felt it's not looking that amazing. So you know what I did was I pulled out a brush which had blue color on it already for my previous look when I had done my smoky eyes, if you remember, you guys. So just rubbed it on the outer corner of my eyes and I got this. And I'm taking the sparkly color from Feng liner in the shade of transparent white, and I'm applying it on the eyeliner again. I am dusting off all the Laura Mercier powder. Now quickly jumping on to the lipstick, I am using Huda Beauty liquid matte lipsticks, and I am applying the shade Famous out of it, and just that's it for my lips as well. Yep. Using the colors from the palette itself, I'm using raw Sienna golden ochre to just fill in the hollows of my cheeks, because I don't have time to remove the contour sticks and everything. So just quickly doing this with the eyeshadow palette itself. And I need to hurry up because I'm getting late. That's it. And for my blush, I am going to use Love Letter, yes, and just applying it fast as possible on my cheeks. And for the highlight, I'm using Primavera on my cheeks, and talking to my husband as well because he's asking me faster, and I have oily hair, if you see. So the quick therapy is to put on any powder on your hair, rub it fast, massage it and soak it in your scalp, and you have a fluffy voluminous hair, manageable to go and attend a party for sure. So this is how you go, and this is my quick look and transformation from normal to glam. That's it guys, see you in my next video. Bye.